Hey there, friends. If you're over 60 and looking to stay strong, fight off colds, flu, and other nasty bugs, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share something I usually only tell my patients: how to build a powerful immune-boosting smoothie that's packed with the right ingredients to help you feel energized, improve digestion, support your heart, and yes, supercharge your immune system. Whether you're dealing with seasonal sniffles, trying to stay healthy around the grandkids, or just want more vitality in your day, this smoothie recipe isn't just delicious. It's backed by science and designed for your age and lifestyle. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through each ingredient, why it matters, how to make it, and even what to avoid. Plus, I'll share a few pro tips from my own kitchen. So if that sounds good, go ahead and click that like button, subscribe for more doctor-approved health tips, and drop a comment if you've ever made a smoothie before. I'd love to know your go-to ingredients. All right, let's get started. Let me tell you something I've learned after 30 years of practicing medicine in small towns and big cities across America. It doesn't matter how many pills you take, how often you visit your doctor, or what your family history looks like. If you're not feeding your body the right foods, you're missing the most powerful medicine of all. Food is healing. And when you're in your golden years, 60, 70, 80, and beyond, your immune system isn't as strong as it once was. That's natural, but that doesn't mean you can't build it back up. You don't need to overhaul your life. You just need a blender and a few ingredients that support your body at the cellular level. Why seniors need an immune boost? Let's get honest. Our immune systems slow down as we age. That's why older adults get sick more often, recover slower, and are more at risk for things like pneumonia, shingles, and chronic inflammation. I've had patients in their 70s say, "Doc, I feel tired all the time. I get sick every winter. Is it just aging?" Well, yes and no. Aging plays a role, but you still have a lot of control. And today, I'm going to show you a smoothie recipe that does the heavy lifting for you, full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your immune system loves. Ingredient number 1, leafy greens, spinach or kale. First up, good old-fashioned leafy greens. Spinach and kale are two of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. They're loaded with vitamin C, your immune system's favorite vitamin, vitamin A, protects against infections, folate, helps your body produce healthy blood cells. And here's a secret most people don't know. Spinach also contains compounds that help regulate inflammation, which is key for preventing chronic disease. Blend a handful into the smoothie. Don't worry, you won't taste it, I promise. The fruit covers it right up. Ingredient number 2, berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Next up, berries. I like to call these the antioxidant heroes of the smoothie world. Blueberries especially are packed with flavonoids. These are natural chemicals that reduce inflammation and strengthen immune cells. Plus, berries are naturally sweet, so they make the smoothie taste like a treat instead of a health tonic. Adds half a cup of mixed frozen berries. And yes, frozen works just as well as fresh. In fact, they're often picked at peak ripeness and flash frozen, so the nutrients stay locked in. Ingredient number 3, carrots or pumpkin, beta-carotene boost. Now this might sound unusual, but hear me out. Carrots or even canned pumpkin are great additions to a smoothie. Why? Because they're rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. That's the vitamin that helps keep your skin, lungs, and immune system in top shape. It also supports your mucous membranes, your first line of defense against viruses and bacteria. Ingredient number 4, ginger plus optional garlic, antiviral support. This is where we get bold, fresh ginger. Ginger isn't just for upset stomachs. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory and helps the immune system respond faster to threats. It even helps with joint pain, which is common as we age. And if you're brave, add a tiny sliver of raw garlic. Garlic has been shown in multiple studies to reduce the duration of colds and even lower blood pressure. Don't worry, just a small amount, and the smoothie masks the flavor. Ingredient number 5, healthy fats, avocado or coconut oil. Here's a mistake I see a lot of older adults make. They cut out all fat, but healthy fats like avocado and coconut oil help your body absorb all those fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Plus, they keep you feeling full, support brain health, and fight inflammation. So let's add a quarter of an avocado. Creamy, rich, and oh so good for you. Liquid base, almond milk, coconut water, or kefir. You've got options here. Your liquid base matters. Skip the sugary juices. Instead, try unsweetened almond milk, low in calories, easy to digest coconut water, full of electrolytes. Kefir, a fermented yogurt drink that adds probiotics. Remember gut health, your immune health. 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. Optional boosters, turmeric, flaxseed, or protein powder. Want to go the extra mile? These boosters can take your smoothie to the next level. Turmeric, powerful anti-inflammatory, ground flaxseed, fiber and omega-3s. Protein powder, helps with muscle mass and recovery, especially for seniors. Just make sure your protein powder is clean, no added sugars or artificial junk. Blending it all together. Now it's time to blend. About 60 seconds on high. Blender whirs. Look at that beautiful color. Rich, creamy, and full of nutrients your body's going to love. Go ahead, pour it into a nice glass or your favorite thermos. Take a sip. Ah, now that tastes like wellness. So there you have it, the doctor's immune-boosting smoothie. You've just learned how to support your immune system, reduce inflammation, improve energy and digestion, protect your body with antioxidants and healthy fats. And the best part, it takes less than 10 minutes to make. Add this to your morning routine, and you'll start feeling the difference within weeks. As your doctor and your friend, I'm telling you, this is one of the easiest, most delicious ways to invest in your health. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and leave a comment below. What's your favorite smoothie ingredient? I'd love to hear it. Take care of yourself. You've got a lot of good years ahead.